Wow, who's that?
Spencer.
How about this guy?
Scruff. Diesel.
This one?
Percy.
This one?
Thomas.
Number two. Is it Gordon or Edward?
Gordon.
How about this? Number 5.
James.
James? This one?
Eagle paint. Hero.
How about this guy?
Gordon.
This one? Who's this one? Yeah. His name is Porter.
His name is too.
This one is Porter, and this one is
Spencer.
Spencer. Yeah, these are smaller ones, huh? Thomas Minis, and they're not as expensive. See, so for $1.47, you can get a train, a small train.
What's his name?
Okay, which one?
This guy.
This one?
Yeah.
His name is Charlie.
And his name?
This one is Thomas.
No, that's not Thomas.
Who's that?
I don't know that girl.
Is that a girl?
Yes, a girl train. But with his name, both of them, Percy, and this one.
Hey, don't throw it there. Put it back.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Alexa.
What's this?
Oh, you find out. You tell me who that is.
Kung ano ko ng gatas eh, Alexa.